Has someone on Instagram suddenly stopped posting and left you wondering if you have been blocked? While Instagram will not provide any official notification saying you have been blocked, in this video, I will be going over 3 techniques that you can use to find if someone has blocked you on Instagram. So simply open Instagram and search for the profile that you think has blocked you. If you cannot find the profile, then you most likely have been blocked. However, this can also happen if the person has deleted their Instagram account. So you will need to verify with the other steps to confirm that you have actually been blocked. If you had a conversation or message history with the person you think has blocked you, then you should open Instagram messages and try to find the message thread. If you can find a message thread between you and the person, then click on the message thread and try to view their profile. When trying to view their profile, if you get an error message saying user not found, then this is an indication that you have been blocked. Also, if you cannot see how many people they're following or how many followers they have, this is also a sign that you have been blocked. However, this can also happen if the person has deleted their account, so you will need to verify with the next technique to make sure that you have actually been blocked. Now the third step is to see if you can find the person's profile using another Instagram account or a friend or family member's Instagram account. So using the other Instagram account, search for the profile once again. And if you're able to find the profile on another Instagram account, but not on your own Instagram account, then sadly you have been blocked. However, if you still cannot find the person's profile even after typing in their username, then most likely they have deleted their account. And that is it for this video. If this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also like and share this video.